Have you ever pondered about the magic that occurs when data from different tables in a database unite? Today, we're diving into the world of SQL joins, an indispensable tool that does just that, merging data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Think of SQL joins as a bridge, a connector that brings together isolated islands of data into one cohesive landmass. It's a tool that, when mastered, can significantly amplify your data manipulation skills. Now imagine two tables, one named customers and the other orders. Customers has columns, customer ID, customer name, and contact number. Orders, on the other hand, has order ID, product, and customer ID. Notice a common column here? Yes, it's the customer ID. This commonality is what we'll use to join these tables. The most common type of SQL join is the inner join. This extracts the records that have matching values in both tables. It's like a Venn diagram, where the intersection of two circles is the result. In SQL language, it translates to select column names from table 1 inner join, table 2 on table 1, column underscore name equals sign table 2, column underscore name. Replace column names with the columns you want to select and table 1 and table 2 with your respective table names. Next, we have the left join. This retrieves all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. If there's no match, the result is null from the right side. It's like saying, give me all the data from the left table and any matching data from the right one. Similarly, there's the right join. It fetches all records from the right table and any matched records from the left table. If no match exists, you'll get null from the left side. Finally, we have the full join. This returns all records when there is a match in either the left or the right table. If there's no match, you'll see null on either side. To summarize, SQL joins are a powerful tool that allows you to merge data from different tables based on a related column. The four types of joins, inner, left, right, and full, offer flexibility in how you want to combine your data. Remember, the inner join returns records with matching values in both tables. The left join returns all records from the left table and matched from the right. The right join provides all records from the right and matched from the left, and the full join gives all records when there's a match in either table. Mastering SQL joins is like learning a new language. It's a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be conversing fluently with your databases. And remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing and keep exploring. Happy querying.